Hello, welcome to the Adobe Premiere Pro Basics tutorial. I am Nate Salo, the Educational Technology Specialist of the Educational Technology and Resources Collection Department within Bracken Library at Ball State University. Today I'm just going to show you, like I said, the basics of Adobe Premiere Pro. I will actually start from the beginning and go in there and edit video, export it, and while I'm in there kind of show you around, show you the tools available, and hopefully by the end of this it will be enough to help you get started so that you can edit your own videos using Adobe Premiere Pro. So the first thing I would recommend when you're dealing with any video project is to create a folder. This folder is basically going to hold all the assets for your project, and it just comes in convenient when later down the road, if you want to delete the project from your computer or hard drive or wherever you're keeping the video project, all you have to do is delete this one folder. And as well as if you want to transfer this project to a different computer, it's a lot easier just to move the one folder, because you will have a lot of different assets, and it just will help you in the long run if you get in the habit of doing this for your video projects in the future. So I've created a video project folder. Inside here is where I'm going to put all my assets. So normally you will have already shot the video on a camera, and it's just a matter of getting all those video files in this project. We're going to save the actual Adobe Premiere Pro project file in here, as well as if you want to add pictures or if you want to add audio, just put everything in here. The more you have, the more you'll need to stay organized. So if it's a large project with tons of different video files, you might have different folders for different categories of videos. Same with music, same with pictures, and so on. So it just really depends on how big your project is. But I'm going to keep this basic. So let me pull in some files that I already have here. Let me see, in my documents I have some audio, some pictures, some logos, and some video. So I'm just going to drag these in here, pretending they're from a camera in different places. I brought it in here, close it up. So I've put all my assets, compiled them right into this folder. So that's step one.